Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. For our group project, we choose the scenario of product and selling ice cream Malaysia, where one stick represent one unit. The purpose of our model is to calculate the actual cost per stick. Determine the subtable selling price and find the number of unit need to break even and to achieve a profit target. We also evaluate whether the production capacity is enough to meet the required sale. Our problem statement, the main problem we need to solve is what is the actual cost per stick. Okay, so number 2 is how many unit must be sold to avoid losses and to achieve a 200 profit. And number 3, can our production capacity cover the sales target? Step number 1 is to calculate CU, which is the total cost per stick. Okay, C1 equals 0.90, CP equals 0.20, CL equals 0.40, and CO equals 0.20. When we add them together, 0.90 plus 0.20 plus 0.40 plus 0.20, we get 1 ringgit and 70 cent. So the total cost per stick is CU equal 1 ringgit and 70 cent. Okay, we continue to step 2. Step 2 is to calculate the profit per stick, which is represented by pi. Using the formula pi equal P minus CU, the selling price P is 3 ringgit and the cost CU is 1 ringgit 70 cents. So 3 ringgit minus 1 ringgit 70 cents give us 1 ringgit and 30 cents profit per stick. Okay, step 3 is to find the break-even quantity. We use the formula fixed cost divided by profit per stick. Our fixed cost F is 80 ringgit and our profit per stick pi is 1 ringgit 30 cents. So we calculate 80 divided by 1.30, which give approximately 61.54. Since we cannot sell half a stick, we round it up to 62 stick. That means we must sell at least 62 stick to break even. Okay, step 4 is to calculate how many stick we need to sell to reach our target profit of 200 ringgit. Okay, first we add the fixed cost and the target profit. 80 plus 200 equal 280. Then we divide that by the profit per stick. 280 divided by 1.30. So give about 215.38. Rounding up, we need to sell 216 stick 16 sticks to achieve the target profit.
I will continue the step 5 is daily production capacity bracket K. Okay, the first point is working time, 418 minutes per day. The point 2 is time per batch, equal sign 16 minutes. Number 3, batch per day, equal sign 418 per 16, equal sign 8 batch. Okay, next, capacity per batch, equal sign 15 sticks. The total capacity equal sign 8 multiply 15 equal sign 400 sticks per day. Okay, the last point is comparison. 400 capacity greater than 216 require is target is achievable. And then we go to the step 6. Time to produce 216 stick. The first point is batch need equal sign seal 216 per 15 equal sign 5 batch. The last point is time required equal sign 5 multiply 16 minutes equal sign 300 minutes equal sign 5 hours. Okay, for the step 7, we conduct a sensitivity analysis. Okay, the purpose of the analysis is to see how change in ingredient cost will affect our profit and break-even point. In this scenario, we assume that the ingredient cost CI increased by 10%. Okay, first we calculate the new ingredient cost. CI equals sign 1.10 cent multiply 0.19 cent multiply 0.99 cent. This means each unit now costs 0.99 for ingredient compared to 0.19 previous. Okay, next we calculate the new total unit cost. CU multiply 0.99 cent plus 0.20 cent plus 0.40 cent plus 0.2 cent. The equal sign is RM 1.79 cent. So the total cost to produce one stick become RM 1.79 cent after the increase. Okay, then we calculate the new profit per unit. Pi equal sign P minus CU multiply 3 ringgit minus 1.79 multiply 1.21 cent. Okay, this show that our profit per stick dropped to 1.21 cent. Okay, after that we determine impact on the break-even point is NBE multiply 18 per 1.21 cent and then 16.1 round to 19.7 stick. This means we need to sell at least 67 stick to cover our cost after the increase in ingredient cost. Okay, we go to critical discussion, assumption and limitation. Okay, assumption is cost per stick is uniform, bracket no size flavor variation. Point 2, selling price remain constant, bracket no promotion or discount. Okay. Point 3, all unit produced are sold, no wastage. And the last one is batch time and capacity are accurate, no packing or cleaning delay. Okay, the limitation of the model. The first point is no BOQ bill of quantities. Breakdown for detailed cost accuracy. Point 2, include marketing, tax, delivery, and handling costs. Point 3, actual phrasing, time may fluctuate and reduce throughput. And the last one is does not account for demand variation. Bracket seasonal peak and low period. Okay, the last one is alternative method and improvement. The first is BOQ, optimized costing, more accurate cost calculation per batch. Number 2, linear programming, optimize profit when multiply product slash flavor exits. And number 3, simulation modeling, evaluate daily slash seasonal demand variation and risks. And last one, recommendation include buffer time for setup, cleaning and potential wastage.